Hello YouTubers, you are watching Just Do It Yourself channel, and today we are working on 2005 Infiniti FX35. Specifically, we are going to replace front sway bar bushings. So one on the left hand side, one on the right hand side. So it should be pretty easy job as long as we don't break any bolts. There's one 14 mil bolt and 14 mil nut. Seems like we will not need to remove this completely, just to get it loose a bit. There is the gap, so this bracket should slide out. In terms of the parts, I will just try to find all the parts that you will need tools online, so check description to the video. Though there is different set of bushings for different sizes of bars. For some reason they come in different sizes. So you need to measure the diameter of the bar just somewhere over here, close to the bushing, and then order the part that will fit the same bar. So it's not the case where one size fits all. So check the size of the bar first. So let's get to it. Let's try to remove those bolts and nuts. Okay, I'm using 1/2 inch battery powered impact. And we'll start with the medium setting. I also have sprayed the nut with the WD-40 as well as the bolt. If you go from behind, there is a little hole. Even with this one, there is the hole, so you can stick the WD-40 with the straw and spray it inside, because that is not a blind, like it's a blind hole, so you cannot reach to the nut on the other side. So actually at this point we will just go back and come off, and that just for the sake of not breaking that bolt, because if it does break we will be in lots of troubles. So this came off quite easily. Let's see if I can remove the bushing. I can pull it off like that. Now I'll just put the new one back in. Just split it. Push it on. This, the old one, were quite loose. I should show you on the other side. But they were making lots and lots of noise. So now I'll just stick. Need to put it in place first. Somewhere there. Now we might need to use the hammer to get it in. So it's a good idea to put some soapy water on the rubber so it goes in easily. So I can just put the nut back on, but I will put some anti-seize on it. And just apply some anti-seize. Get that nut back on. Same with this one. Perfect. Looking to the other side. And it probably is a good idea to actually remove this one off and put some anti-seize on it. I will do same on the other side, because as I mentioned, if and when it gets seized, it will create lots and lots of issues. So now I'll just put a new one back on. Spray it with some water. Get it tight. That's correct. I forgot to put anti-seize on this bolt. Perfect. So last thing would be to apply anti-seize on that bolt on the other side. Job is done. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Please check the description to the video to parts and tools that you might need. Also check my Amazon store. And as always, just do it yourself.